What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video.
I see a pool here I see a pool here at the road.
Okay. Alright guys, so it's been a while since we've done a vlog. We've been doing a lot of property videos, going around showing you guys houses and stuff, but nevertheless we are still here as a family and we're just chilling this weekend and we're going to be sharing that with you guys. Hope you can hear me and it's not too windy. Yes, as you can see, I have a very nice background at the moment. We are currently at Palladium, so we're going to chill for the weekend and we're going to show you guys what's going on in this side of Jamaica. You can also look out for a room tour from us because you know we have to continue the property thing. A lot of persons overseas are coming on vacation. We have friends and families. We have you guys who are looking for nice places to go, and this is one of them that we will definitely recommend. So let me just show you the outside. I'm gonna come out of the way so you can see the background and then you guys can tell me what you think. Alright? Well, I'm seeing you. Alright? I'm seeing you. Where are you?
In the pool.
You're in the pool?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Alright, so yes guys, so
This is a family pool.
that is a family pool?
Yes, only the people can get it.
Alright guys, so this is the view. It's very nice.
This is the hotel room.
Yes Sam, yes.
I said hotel
So
room.
Sammy inside guys. A long time we don't see her. See her there? Yes Samuel? Yes, they know it's the hotel room, Papa. They know. Samuel, they know. Long time they don't see. Say hi.
Hi. Mwah.
You love them? Oh my God, that is so nice.
What's it like?
Careful. You're swimming? Huh?
I'm playing.
Alright guys, so we're chilling a bit in the pool. And then later we're gonna look some dinner and thing.
I'm holding you.
It's okay. Hold on to the floaty. Hold the floaty. Look at the camera. See?
I'm holding you.
It's me.
See, this is the stand. Somebody go, hey, ready?
Yeah.
Cree, white flag. Alright, I went up my phone, boy. Hey, bye. Because it can go under the water. Say hello from the sharks. Say hello from the sharks.
Told you. Let me try.
guys, so I just come out of the water little. I don't want to get too dark so quick. Matter of fact, I want something to drink, so I'm going to get probably like a beer or so. And then we just chill a bit, alright? So, hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Remember to check out our other videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet done so. Remember to like, share the video. Leave a comment. It's been a long time since we've had a little bit of chit chat. But we'll see how best we can work that out in one of these videos, alright? So guys, we're going to try and make reservation for a restaurant this evening. So I'm walking out now to catch one of the shuttle. It's a very big property. I'll try to give you guys probably like a drone view or something. But it's very big, so I'm just heading back to the lobby now to make the reservation. So catch you in a bit. What is it, mommy do?
I'ma take your mama.
Mommy take too long.
Mama.
Guys, mommy have to put on her face so that we can eat some food. Here can stay some? Yes. Ready now? Alright guys, we're gonna look some.
Up there.
My youth, may I try to do a video?
Up there.
Why is the eye for? Eh? What happened?
Up there. Up there. Up there.
You're excited, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we know. So we're going to go now so you can get some food.
If I come back today,
Yeah.
I'm going to sleep here.
Yes, we're going to sleep here.
I'm going to stay here. Some more.
Yes, more. But you have to go back home. Okay? Because you have school. We have work. We don't live here. We're visiting.
I want to stay here.
You want to stay here?
Yeah.
Alright, I have to go talk to the manager and see if we can stay. Okay? Alright. We are going to head out and look some food here now.
Yeah.
Because someone say I'm hungry and they want something to eat. Right? Alright guys, so we catch you in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
A couple seconds. So dinner was good. I go walk the place and now and see what goes on in the night. So you guys can stay tuned for that. And I hope you're enjoying this vlog. Remember to like the video and remember to share, alright?
Hear this voice from the inside. It's the call of your heart. Close your eyes and you will find there's a dot on the dark. Here I am. We send me an angel. Here I am.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I was really tired yesterday. And Samuel continuing trend of waking up before day. So it's not funny, you know? You think it's funny? Excuse. Yeah, people, someone wake up before day again. The sun not even out. The place just light up. I have to get up in the early morning, like we are going to work.
No.
You know what I'm to you later?
Right.
Alright, I won't say. But yeah, guys, we're going to take on another day today. What you say, Sammy?
I'm tired.
You're not vacationing.
I'm tired. This is want to sleep like later or something. You get me?
Alright.
Well, let's see.
Later, I'm going to send in my pool and go sleep.
Let's see what?
I send in my pool and go sleep.
Mommy. Mommy.
I don't know.
Mommy.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to go get up out of the bed, yeah? And then, stop the boy. Yeah. I'll go see how this day go. Hopefully we can hold up.
Yeah.
You see? Energy that, you know, they are drained and then boom. Energized and ready to go again.
Cool.
And guess what? It's so weird. They never go sleep early. You never go sleep early, no?
Relax.
Maybe after 11?
Relax.
Sam, stop. Maybe after 11 you go in bed. So I don't know when I go before 7 o'clock in the morning.
I mean, from after 6. So yes, guys, I'm going to get up and borrow some of Samuel energy and take on this day, so stay tuned, alright?
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.